Hi Hans. Here's the assignment about the two programs, pet and movies. So here is the explanation for the pet class and the functionality. So here I created a pet class. It is initiated. All four variables, name, animal, type, and age is taken here, and then the getter and setters are adjusted. So we can uh, input change and get the values of the private functions, and then here the program comes. First of all, it asks about how many pets do you want to enter. So here's a variable how many pets, and then I initialize a string. Then I went into a loop, while loop, until, and it traverses like until the number of like the number entered here. So it asks about all three values like name, type of pet, and the age, and then an object is created here, and then it is appended. The list which was initialized here is then appended, so it gets into a list. And then once the final while loop completes, it means uh, all the data has been entered into a list uh, called pets. So here is I created a while loop that keeps on running until the user clicks enter. It is a type of menu like a geometry menu that you mentioned for the project second, but I thought it would be good here as well. So once user click one, view all pets, it just loops through the lists and uses the getter functions and displays everything. In case of 2, view a specific object, it asks for which type of object pet uh, do you want to view. So here it gets a type, and then it travels throughout the loop here into all the objects, and it matches through the input animal type. And just to verify, just to handle the capitalize or like letter formatting, I have converted both into a lower cases, so we can handle all the scenarios. So it just matches and then shows the relevant data, and when the user presses 3, it just breaks. So here I'm just going to run it here. I'm just to clear the first one, and here I'll run it a couple of times. Okay, so I say I am just going to add two values. What's the name of your pet? I am saying catto. What animal? It is cat. How old is your catto? So I just input the same name that client that the user entered here. So it is there just for the age. So it says how old is your catto. So I am saying 1, and then same for the second pet. I am saying doggy, and what type? Dog. And how old is your doggy? 3. So then it gives me the option, what do you want to like see, all pets and one specific pet. I want to see all pets, so I will click 1, and it shows both. And then I use the while loop here because I just wanted to see the menu again, so I just put. Now I am going to with the specific type, so I'll just click 2. It says which type of do you wanna type of pet do you wanna say? I'm saying cat, and then it gives me just about the cat, and then I click 3, and the program closes. Goodbye. So here is the code for the first one, and then the movies function, movies class. It was quite interesting working on this movies class, because it was handling all the CRUD functions. So same way I input all the variables that we mentioned here. I just getter and setters are initialized here. So as we mentioned, I have to draw, or I have to define all the functions for all four tasks. tasks like add new, view, delete, and update. So this is the add new function. It inputs the list variable. So first of all, it asks about the enter the movie ID. So I just enter the ID. Then it loops and see if this ID exists or not. If it does, then this gives an error and simply returns. So the program breaks here. And if that's a unique ID, as you mentioned, the ID should be unique. So it just goes on title, genre, playing time. So once all is created, I just created an object and appended to the my list. So the movie, one movie is added. So once the few all functions, it just gets the data. If it is blank, it says no movie in the list, and if it's not blank, then it just simply loops through the lists and uses the get function to show the relevant data. And then in the update function, it asks for the movie ID, and once the movie ID is input, it specifically asks what parameter do you want to update, like press 1 for ID, 2 for title, 3 and onward. So I'm getting an input here. I didn't convert into the int, so I am just using the double quotes here just to tackle it as a string. I could have used int, so there was no need of this double quotes. So based on the input, I'm updating. If the user enters like 2, so it comes here. It user enters title, and then the new title is set. That's it. And then a delete movie, and then I am a delete function. Then I gets the which ID do you want to delete. So user inputs the ID, and then it is deleted from the list. That's it. And then yeah, it is deleted, and these are the delete, update, view and add functions here. So all functions are added. Then I am just going to my main where I am just looping through, like, because I didn't want to like user press 1 and I am just entering the movie and it closes. I am just want to see the menu again, so I am just running a while loop here. 1 2 3 4 5. So let's run it and see the actual output. So it runs, and first of all it asks for what do you want to do. I want to add a movie, so I just pick one. It says enter the movie ID. 1 2 3, enter the movie title, Joe's ABC, and then the movie genre, it's comedy, and enter the movie playing time, it's 40. And again here, add a new movie. I want to add a new movie. Enter the movie 4 5 6, enter the movie title, ABCD, ABCD, movie genre, comedy, playing time 60. So what do we want to do? I want to update a movie, so I'm just going with the 3 one. Enter the ID of the movie 1 2 3. What do you want to update? Title, genre, what? I want to update the genre, so I clicked here. So I am just going to add a new genre. This is horror. That's it. So I just want to view all, so I'm just pressing 2. I press 2, and these are my 2 movies that I added, and here the genre which was updated. So here I'll just click 5 and the program closes. So this is it, and I have also checked the mystery thing. It is about string slicing, so the output comes like Python is fun. I had to use like I have to Google it around to understand how it works, but it was good thing. Thank you.